putting some fence palings back on here. It's a very old rickety fence where there's quite a few palings have fallen off. Just going to go along the length and tidy them up and straighten them up. And I was going to pre-drill them and put a nail in. It's hardwood, it's gum, so it's quite hard. But the nailing's not going to work because that top rail there, as you can see, isn't terribly well affixed and the post isn't tight, so I'm going to screw them in because they can't actually withstand the banging. So put a couple in here that I've screwed in through to the hardwood. I've just pre-drilled it and then screwed it in. I didn't do that, but someone else has had a go at nailing in. See, hardwood's very hard to drive a nail through, very easy to bend it. I'll actually straighten that up for him and drive it in. And yeah, it's not quite fitting as it used to, so I'm going to put it back on the back of that to hold it in place. But, that's one of today's jobs. Go along and straighten this fence up. There's another section up in the middle there where it's all coming apart as well. So I'm putting these on with these screws, and I'm not using a wood screw because I want it just with a nice steep thread so it goes in nice and easy because of the hardwood. And what I'm actually encountering is that if it's not actually quite touching, because there's not a big shank on here, it doesn't pull it in tight when we screw it up. So I can screw this in a little bit, but then I have to use the hammer to get the old nail just to temporarily hold it in place. So line it up to the old hole, hold it in place with the knee. Don't put your finger in front of the camera. Line it up. There you see it comes tight. The one beside it, I'm just putting my knee on it. Now, without the screw, they would just pull straight out again, like that, as you can see. But at least they'll pull up tight so that when we screw it in, it will then be nice and tight on the back here. And that does matter. I mean, you could even put some liquid nails, construction adhesive behind there if you wanted to hold it in place. But this will be fine to hold it.